Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the degrees of comparison related to type 3. Type 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. These are 3 degrees. How to understand type 3 degrees of comparison? By following the clues which are written here, should be observed very clearly. If you take type 3 positive degree, in type 3 positive degree, some at least, this is the clue that we can observe. If you take comparative degree regarding type 3 degrees of comparison, not than any other or not than some other will come in comparative degree. If you take superlative degree, not of all, not of all will come in superlative degree. These are the clues that we have to remember while using type 3 degrees of comparison. These are the clues that we have to remember. If the statement or sentence contains these clues, those particular sentences will be in the positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Okay. Now let us see some examples which are related to type 3 degrees of comparison by following the clues. Some boys are at least as good as Mahesh. This is positive degree. Mahesh is not better than any other boy. This is comparative degree. Instead of any, you can use some in the comparative degree, type 3 degrees of comparison. Mahesh is not better than some other boy, comparative degree. Mahesh is not the best of all the boys. This is superlative degree. Once again, some boys are at least as good as Mahesh, positive degree. Mahesh is not better than any other boy, comparative degree. Mahesh is not the best of all the boys, superlative degree. Now let us know the structures of all these degrees. If you take positive degree, some plus, plural noun plus, verb plus, at least plus, as plus, positive degree plus, as plus, noun. This is the structure of positive degree regarding type 3 degrees of comparison. Now let us go to comparative degree. What is the structure for the comparative degree? Subject plus, verb plus, not plus, comparative degree plus, than plus, any other plus, noun, singular noun. Here instead of any other you can use some other also, some other. You can use either some other or any other in the comparative degree related to type 3 degrees of comparison. Now let us see the structure for the superlative degree related to type 3 degrees of comparison. Subject plus, verb plus, not plus, superlative degree plus, of all plus, plural noun. Plural noun. Okay. In such a way we should remember the structures of all these degrees: positive, comparative and superlative degree. Okay. Moreover, you have to remember these clues very carefully. By following these clues, if you follow these degrees by changing positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, superlative to comparative, comparative to positive, positive to superlative, we can change all these degrees from one degree to another degree. Okay. For good and all, what is type 3 degrees of comparison? One event is compared to another event which is not the best of all the best events. One event is compared to another event which is not the best of all the best events. This is the thing that we have to remember. This is the point we have to remember while using type 3 degrees of comparison. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.